potted meat. Here we're gonna use. Should have brought a cracker or something. I need some sustenance. I'm on vacation. Tried to get in a deer stand today, but it was too windy, very windy. My tree was swaying like that. So I just called a game on account of rain and thought, well, Sully wanted to come out in the woods, so I packed up and come on down here. It took me about an hour to hike down through here. Y'all like potted meat? It's not bad every once in a while on crackers. It's high in sodium. So, yeah, it ain't very good. Lord, it ain't very good for you. 34% sodium in that little can. Woo. But I'm hungry and I needed a snack. Finger works too. Too beautiful of a day. It started out raining, really windy, but I wasn't gonna let that stop me because I'm on vacation, and yesterday I just stayed in the house, so, and I felt like that day was wasted, so today we decided to come out and look at it. This is in Kentucky, for y'all that don't know. I know some of my biggest fans around the world are right here underneath of right here in my area. But some of y'all may not be. There's old Sully boy. Here he wants some potted meat. Ooh. Good boy. He likes some potted meat. Here. Right here. Good boy. Here. Ow. Here. I think he's hungry too. Here. It's all of it. Here. There. All right. We got us a little protein snack here. Oh, something jumped. How about that? We got fish everywhere. We got bobbers hanging in trees. That ain't my bobber either. And we always take our trash with us because we don't litter. Like somebody shooting an automatic rifle somewhere. We always take our trash with us. Ain't no reason to litter. If you litter, you ain't got no manners. Somebody didn't teach you right. Hear a big fish out there flopping. Such a beautiful day. Wow. Unbelievable. Nicked my finger on that. I really appreciate y'all just watching. I mean, some of y'all might not be able to get outside, maybe have disabilities, you know, maybe like watching outdoor nature stuff from the comfort of your home because for whatever reason, maybe you can't get out, you know. It's tough on me sometimes. I got bad feet. That's why it took me an hour to get down here. It should have only been like 20 minutes, but I got bad feet. Hemochromatosis done messed my bones up, but I ain't letting it stop me. It's tough. But anyways, yeah, I really appreciate you all watching. You should like and subscribe and share. And hopefully, man, it's beautiful. Look at this. This is Kentucky. And for all you people that don't live here, you can come here on vacation, but when you're done, go back home because you won't like it here. There's too many people. It's overcrowded. So, but I really, really appreciate y'all watching. I'm trying to make more videos, but it's tough when you got kids. I'm on vacation and they're in school, so that's why it's working out. And the wife is working. I'll give y'all a different angle here in a minute. Y'all probably tired of watching the mountainside and the calm water, beautiful calm water. Like Sully over there running around. He's ecstatic. This is his paradise. He loves it. Let me cinch his bag back up real quick. I just came down goofing off, really. Like I said, I went deer hunting earlier. It was way too windy. I might go this afternoon. Set in the tree stand for a little while. Maybe if it ain't windy, it comes and goes, so I don't know. Look at the little fish out there jumping. So beautiful, peaceful. Wish I had a little john boat. I might get me a little john boat and bring it down here. And I'm sure it'll already be green. Maybe camo it, tie it to a tree. Maybe put a tarp and a sign on it that says, for my neighbors, you know, whatever, if anybody comes down through here. I don't think too many people come down through here. That's why I'm wearing this, just in case, because it's deer hunting season and you never know. You know what I mean? If it was any other season, I wouldn't have this on, but I definitely want to be seen. Sully helps out too, because any little thing that moves, he barks at it. So today is basically a nature extravaganza, a nature adventure, so to speak. I'll get a little different footage, maybe on the way back, something. That's Sully playing in the water. He's a swimmer. Come on, Sully. He's already trying to get something out of that log over by the water. I did bring my 22 with me in case I see a squirrel between here and there. Oh, let me zip up. Come on, old boy. He stays close in the woods. He don't listen too good at home, but out here in the woods, I holler for him. He stays real close. I might bring a john boat down here somehow. I don't know how I'll get it down here because it's a hilly trek down through here. Might have to put it on my other boat, bring it out here, drop it, tie it to a tree, put a note on it that says, "Feel free to use, please return." That's the honor system. I don't know if it'll work. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But I've seen a bunch of mushrooms on the way down here, but they were all poisonous. And they're common. So I didn't film them, but I might on the way back. Little brown, flat, round ones. I gotta get me another one because I'm gonna be honest, I don't care much for this team. It's got a weird chemical plastic smell to it, and I don't care for it. And these clips aren't any good either, they suck. This bag right here, very cheap. It's like 20 bucks or something. I mean, it does work if you don't pack it so full you bust these little cheap plastic clips, but it's not my favorite. And it has a weird plastic chemical smell to it. Brought the old trusty 22 rifle here, the sniper scope on it. Woodpecker. We don't Oh shit, no woodpecker. Brought my old trusty handy walking stick too. I made a little. It helps out a lot, especially when you got two bad feet. Trusty rifle and the walking stick. Boy, what you doing, boy? Look at that rock. Look at that rock suspended up there in the air. Crazy dog. Oh, crazy dog. Let me cast this over. Let me cast this pole. Oh, Lord of mercy. Let's see if I can get some. Bathing pool. Rest area. Solid. Alright, me and Sully, we made it back to the house. It was a long trek. It wore me out. It was a fun, adventurous day. I was so tired, I got back to the house, I forgot to make an ending to the video. It's almost the end of the day, so it's a few hours past due from when you seen it. It started raining, but I still had to finish the video, so we're outside. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I'm worn out. Thank you for supporting Deaver Vision, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you.